Our customers coming from all around the world are really happy because they are still waited to see all the innovations. I'm really proud and excited about that. We are not talking only about one single product, we are talking about a whole range.
We are finally out with our new product, and I love the long experience Stiebel has with the heat pumps.
So everyone who has not been here has missed the LWZ. 4 different features. It's like heating, cooling, ventilation and warm water. I have this thing at home, but in the previous model, hpnext model, is even better than the thing before, and I would love to take it home with me.
Besides all the innovative products we are showing here, for me the most impressive thing is the innovation show behind me, where we try in a very short time to show all of this innovation we have brought to this fair to our customers.
Feedback is completely positive. The customers are surprised that we have been able to develop a complete new portfolio in that time, and the customers highly appreciate the ease of installation and the accessories that come with the heat pumps.